Welcome back everyone. Today I want to show you how to use the SPON Intercom station combined with the electronic lock. So as you may know, sometimes the intercom station may be installed next to a door that may be locked, and the paging station in the office, once the identity has been confirmed, the paging station can click the unlock button and trigger a command to unlock the door next to the station. So in today's demo scenario, we have prepared some device which including the IP paging microphone that can do the intercom and unlock the door in the public area, and also the SPON IP intercom panel that can call to this paging microphone, and also connecting the electronic lock. Here we have the electronic lock that's connected with the 12-volt DC power. Since the device cannot provide the power itself, we need to connect an external power adapter. Also for accessory, we have the PC to do all kinds of configuration, and also the network switch, the network cable for connecting the Ethernet together. Also, we will need a small screwdriver to connecting the electronic lock to the intercom panel. Okay, so that's everything we need for this demonstration. Now let's get started with the connection. So as usual, first of all, let's connect everything to the network. So I'm connecting the paging microphone to the network switch. And second, the intercom station to the network switch. Since this is a PoE switch, we don't need any external power for this unit. Lastly, connect the laptop. Now we need to connect this electronic lock to the intercom panels. So first of all, we need to identify the positive and negative side of the lock. So as you can see, I have prepared a 12-volt adapter and its positive side connecting with the electronic lock's positive side. And for the negative side, we'll be connecting to the intercom panel. So when the paging microphone sends a signal, it will create a signal to make these power on or off. On the intercom panel, its alarm output interface, it has three sides. One is for the common, which is for negative side, and two is for no more close, and three is for no more open. In here, we want to make sure in the default state, the lock will stay closed. So we will connect one side as the negative side, which is the first pin. And the second normal open side will be connecting the power adapter's power. Okay, so we have done with the connection between the intercom and the electronic lock. Now all we need to do is connect the power supply to the electronic lock. Okay, so as you can see right now, once I plug the power, the lock cannot be opened. Okay, so now that's all for the connection. Let's get started with the configuration. Okay, so first of all, we need to configure the IP address of these two units if you haven't done it. Here, I will be using the configuration tool to change the IP address of these two units. So first, I will change the paging microphone, change its IP address, and binding the server IP, which is my PC's IP address, which is the 192.168.1.230. And next one will be configure the intercom panel. Here, I will using a different ID number for this unit and using a different IP address and the same server IP address. After a while, let's scan the device again, see if the IP address has been changed or not. Now the devices are ready, we can open the XC9000 software. And you can see here is my IP address of my laptop. After all the services are running, we can open the web page of the XC9000. Log in with the admin username. As you can see now, these two units has already registered to the XC9000. Now let's change the name of these two terminals. Okay, last step. If we want to make sure the intercom station call the paging microphone, we need to set the calling target for this one. So in the talk menu, here we can enter the target ID, which is 1, which is the paging microphone, and save again. Now the intercom station should be able to call the pager microphone if we press the button. Okay, now let's test this out. Now let's start the demonstration by pressing the intercom button and calling to the pager microphone. So first you can see that the electronic lock has been firmly connected. So you can open this. And now if I press this button here, the pager microphone will receive the call. And if I press the unlock button, the lock will lose its power and we can open the door. After a few seconds, the lock will be reconnected again. And now it's connected and cannot be opened. Okay, so today we have learned how to integrate the electronic lock with the intercom station and using the pager microphone to do the unlocking. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us anytime. And also you can visit in our website, sponicom.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.